If you think you need a heavy toolbox for everyday fixes, this tiny little tool might just prove you wrong. Stay tuned and we're going to cover some features to bring to the table. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the NexTool Pocket Tool E1 and 3 things you need to know about it. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this includes an exacto blade-based knife, and it also comes with 3 spare blades that are included. If you haven't used exacto blades before, here's a word to the wise. Those little suckers are sharp, so be very careful. You could lay a finger open without a whole lot of effort, so just make sure that if possible you use a pair of gloves to change the blade out, and then when you're through with it, carefully put it back or fold it back into the knife body. Thing number 2, there is one tool that is a dual bit. It's a flathead and phillips head, and as you'll soon find out, there's an accessory kit with additional bits that you may want to take a look at, because you could end up with quite the little multiple bit tool head that won't take a whole lot of room. Thing number 3, this multi-tool is suitable for a variety of uses. You could have it as a part of your daily kit for home maintenance, so you didn't always have to haul out the big guns, camping, hunting, hiking, jungle exploration, and outdoor activities, to mention just a few items. And you may find a few more that you haven't thought about yet. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Please look in the description for the URL to use to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.